This is the potting bench I made using lightweight concrete. While working on the design of my bird bath, I decided I would get some of this project published during designer's block, which is when I have to stop and scratch my head. A quick summary of why this came about. Sometime in 2021, I got tired of washing homegrown vegetables in a bucket or bowl in a sink. I did that to prevent dirt from clogging the house plumbing, and I could reuse the water in the garden. I started to search for ideas on an outside sink and discovered they call these things potting benches, since apparently this is what people use to pot their plants. I wanted it made with concrete so it would be weatherproof if that would be too heavy. That is when I started my quest for lightweight concrete. Much research and experimentation with test bricks over about 5 months, and I had a formula I was happy with, and what you see here is the result. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when I publish the building of the forms through the casting of the bench. Now back to my bird bath design that will also be cast using the same lightweight concrete.